Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Honeywell AllergenPlus HEPA Air Purifier, a powerful solution for cleaner, fresher air in medium-sized rooms up to 155 square feet. This air purifier is designed to capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke, thanks to its advanced HEPA filtration system. With 4 air cleaning levels, it effectively filters and circulates air up to 4.8 times an hour, ensuring a continuous supply of purified air. As part of the AllergenPlus series, this purifier has earned the Energy Star label, meeting strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. EPA. For optimal performance, it's crucial to use only Genuine Honeywell air purifier filters, as compatible replacements may not deliver the same efficiency. This sleek, white purifier not only enhances air quality but also seamlessly blends into your home decor, making it a smart choice for those looking to reduce allergens and improve indoor air quality. Stay tuned for more product insights and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.